Okay, hopefully you just listened to the story, Chickens Aren't the Only One, and hopefully you paid attention when the story was being read. And you learned that there are lots of other types of animals that also lay eggs. We learned that reptiles, insects, amphibians, and fish also lay eggs. So, what you need to do is you need to pull out your schema and you need to add some more information. So, what have you learned about animals that lay eggs? Well, you also learned that reptiles, insects, amphibians, and fish also lay eggs. All these animals are oviparous. So, write some information about what you learned after listening to the story, and then draw a picture to go with it. When you're all done, check your work to make sure you have capital letters and spaces between your words, as well as punctuation at the end of your sentences. When it's all done and you're satisfied that you've done your best work, please put that in your Reader's Workshop folder. Thank you.